why should everyone have a mentor or a coach in their personal and professional development?
I think when you look at successful people out there, they'll tell you that there was more than one person that played a big role in influencing them professionally, and at times needing to change their mindset in order to help them get there. So, as parents, I have 3 children. We always, mentoring, coaching, teaching them things. But that shouldn't stop just because we became adults. I think learning is continuance. If you're not learning, you're not growing. If you're not growing, you're dying. So when you have a mentor or a coach, if I could think about 4 things that are taking place simultaneously, 1 is influence. And I'm talking about positive influence. 2, opportunity. Opportunity to learn from your mentor that can branch out in furthering your network. 3 would be the variety, taking calculated risks, not remaining in your comfort zone, because magic happens when you're outside of that comfort zone. And last but not least, stability. When we're in sales and in leadership, it's hard to keep it stable. There's a lot of emotion involved. There's a lot of fires you got to put out every day. And a good coach or a mentor that has your best interest can minimize some of those daily stresses so that you don't lose focus from where your goal is. People that are succeeding or failing, it always boils down to 2 things. It's either skill or will. And a good coach or a mentor is going to teach you the skills you need, and it's going to make sure that you continue to have the will in order to get up every day and do what you do.